Time now for our Solar Powered Minute, and joining us once again is Wyatt Everhart, meteorologist and advisor with Solar Energy World. First of all, welcome back.
Brian, great to be back with you here on Good Morning Washington.
So let's talk about something. You guys at Solar Energy just achieved a milestone, installation of 5 homes and an entire neighborhood in Middleburg, Virginia, basically in a day?
That's right, Brian. We rolled the trucks out in force, you could say, but it was such a great scene. This Habitat for Humanity, working class neighborhood, working with our partners like Dominion Energy, Tran Energy Services, the community housing partners. It's such a great scene. In fact, let's just take a look at a little bit more from that morning.
So this is a great opportunity to hear that an entire block of 5 houses in a row wants to go solar. We can help them do that. We're able to coordinate, so it's a great experience for all of the homeowners.
You know, we have the perfect homes for this because the sun comes into our homes probably from sun up until about noon each day. So I think it'll be a win-win for all of us.
I mean, I just think it's amazing. Like I said, for the whole neighborhood to be able to, like I said, we worked hard to build our houses, but for the whole neighborhood to have their houses revitalized and to go green and go solar, whatever, I think is amazing. It really is.
Wow, that is pretty impressive.
Yeah, it was Solar Energy World doing what we love to do most, Brian, just getting these customers installed with cleaner, cheaper solar energy.
All right, how do our viewers learn more?
Well, we'd love for you to reach out, 877-SOLAR-TV. Even if you have 4 or 5 of your neighbors, you know we can get the job done. And you can also check us out online, solarenergyworld.com.
All right, thanks so much, Wyatt.
Thank you, Brian.